thank you. Avery, wait a second, wait a second. Wow. Woo. Awesome, thank you, baby. Say thank you. There you go. Be careful in there. I bet you it's a lot of fun to drive, huh? A lot of power. I just noticed the Corvette symbol in the seats there, so I know it's got the V8, right?
This has got the big Corvette engine.
5.3 or?
No, this is got the big engine.
Wow. Awesome. Come on, guys. Say thank you. Tell them thank you. Avery, that's a fast car. Daddy doesn't get cars like this. Guys, this is me. I'm here at the playground with the Spanish guy. This is Burrito. We call him Nachos. We got my old lady in the back. We got little Nacho right here. What's up, little Nacho? What's up? Alright. We got Crazy Nacho from Bone Thugs and Harmony. We got my daughter about to get kidnapped, so she's just standing by here by herself. Just go butt over here, girl. Acting all crazy, girl. We got little Niñas here. Little Niñas. She's still in the line? Yeah. Here I am recording live with my younger sister-in-law and my brother-in-law. And this is me-in-law. We're here in Old Town. We got lights up at the top. We have Vans sneakers on. Also Nike flip-flops. No. Recording live. Because it's Mustang, they always go into crowds. Literally, that's why you put that there. It's hard to keep control of them. They always, when you look up videos, Mustangs always hit people in the crowd. Make it loud, make it loud. We love it, we love it. Oh, Challenger 50 edition. How you doing, man? Love the colors, man. That color's hot. We got Javon here. What did Javon think of this?
These cars are amazing and I'm hella jealous. They're lucky I ain't in my hood because I would have been hit a lick.
And that's what he says. And they better be lucky that we're not in the hood right now because he would have robbed them. Over. Yeah, I hope he revved that shit up, yeah. Man, look at the fucking everything on that shit. Yo, that shit is hot, man. Look how deep the wheels are, the lip is on the back compared to the front.
Is rear wheel?
Yeah, all of these fucking cars are rear wheel. Most American cars are, especially if it's like a muscle car.
With the diamond on the.
I like the diamond.
The Queen. Oh, that's nice though.
With the kiss too, that's fire.
All right, all right.
Regular Hemi, regular Hemi.
Whoa! There you go. Can we get a rev? A little rev? No?
Nah, look at his face.
Bet.
Nah, he ain't about it. Look at his flag. Nah.
Can we get a little rev? Little rev?
Nah, he said he's straight.
Yeah, you whack anyway. We don't like your car.
Because of your skin color.
His kids are not his children. They're just people that he picked up online and make it seem like he has a normal family. He doesn't. Help us, please.
He lost again.
Do you want to take them to the arcade, or should we go see if they can get on the rides down here?
She gets paid every day. Every day to act like this. It's not real. Someone call the police. We need help.
All right, so here I am right now with my sister-in-law, Renee, and we are in front of the Old Town Historic Landing Company, and it says Boston on there, even though we're in Florida. Reporting live, this is Randy.
What do you got?
She's also an
Reporting live
actor.
from downtown, we have Ingrid. Ingrid.
Yeah, we got a lot of things going on down here. We got some nice rides, some nice.
Can't get on.
Uh-huh.
Hey, camera on me.
Oh, okay.
Got some nice bikes and stuff. Got a lot of things going on. About
I have some news.
What do you got? What do you
Place
got?
is infested with racism. And I'm a little scared for the
Racism?
party that we have here today.
What the hell? We gotta get away from this. Have a couple here. These couple, we found these guys in Africa and we brought them back.
Hi.
So now that they're here on American soil, how do you guys feel?
It's a little weird. The people are very mean.
I feel like Prince Hakim when he came to America.
Uh-huh.
And,
People are very mean.
and I don't understand why. People are so mean. I am a king. They're supposed to kiss my feet as I walk.
We have
On
a
the ride
couple
real
here.
quick,
These-
and then I
Yeah,
want
you
to go
see
to
this?
the store because
$2.5 million.
It's 5:41. We can at least got
This
like
is
1
a
hour
rock
here
that they
real quick.
found in Africa.
But that'll go by
It's
fast.
one of a kind. One of a kind. You beautiful.
Do you want to play games?
Get on the ride real quick.
What's going on there? That's crazy.
On what?
Hey man, we look related. Me and you. You could be my brother.
And then you choose if you want to go left or right when you reach there.
Look at all the old cars, man. Nice, bro. Very nice, very nice. Oh, El Camino. Nice. Got the Chrysler 300 with the lights. You see the lights? Then we got what? We got the Transformer, Bumblebee.
Yeah, it is. That's a hieroglyphic.
Got the blue lights on.
Look at this bumblebee.
You gotta give him a thumbs up. Give him a thumbs up.
But no, he's going the wrong way.
Nah, he's going down there. He's gonna park right there. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! No! For like, as in like Black Lives don't matter? Yeah. Wow, Black Lives will always matter.
Being a liberal, I don't think.